Hello friends, today is our topic how to convert a 2D DGN file into a 3D DGN file in MicroStation. Now you can see I draw a 2D file. Here you can see this is a 2D file. Okay, let's convert into in 3D. Let's start. Firstly go to file and here you can see export. Go to export and 3D. Click on 3D. Now we have to give a file name. Let's take 123 any file name. Okay, this is the location where we can save our 3D file. Okay, view orientation top, z depth fix, value 00. This is the standard, so no need to change on it. Now click OK. The file is converted successfully. Okay, let's check. Close this file, go to location and you can see there is a file. Let's open it. Now you can see this is a 3D file, become a 3D file. Okay, you can check there. This is the tool isometric. Okay, this is a 3D file which we convert a 2D file into a 3D file. You can see here. Okay.